Have you ever wondered how much YouTube pays per 1,000 views? I already know, but if you want to know, I'll let Matt tell you. Stick around.
YouTube shows ads on the videos that you upload at the beginning, sometimes in the middle, and at the end of your videos. Once you get 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers, then you can join what's called the YouTube Partner Program. Then YouTube will pay you a cut of the revenue, and that's what we're going to be talking about in this video, how much you actually make. Now, I personally run a ton of different YouTube channels, and I did some research into both my own channels and other people who've uploaded videos talking about how much money they make per 1,000 views. And the answer is that channels make between $1 and $30 per 1,000 views. So the average channel, based on my research, makes $15.50 per 1,000 views. But with that being said, most channels, from my personal experience, only get around $5 to $10 per 1,000 views that you make. Now, in order to
$5 to $10 per 1,000 views is not bad, especially if you upload videos every day. That can add up. So, it's better than nothing.
make more money per 1,000 views, you can do a couple things. First of all, you can create a channel in what's called a high RPM niche. Now, RPM is how much you actually make per 1,000 views. And depending on the niche that you're in, some advertisers pay more money to put ads on videos than others. For example, Apple is one of the top advertisers on YouTube, and they're likely going to be putting their ads on technology videos. And Expedia is another one of the top advertisers, and they're likely going to be putting their ads on travel videos. Now, here's a list of some of the highest CPM niches, so feel free to pause this and screenshot if you want. They include finance, make money online, technology, health, investing, travel, legal, insurance, makeup, marketing, real estate, cars, movies, and DIY and tutorials. But with that being said, some channels in lower CPM niches can get more overall views. Some examples of low RPM niches include pranks, scary videos, gaming videos depending on the game that you're playing, and general top 10 videos. Another way to make more money per 1,000 views is to create videos longer than 8 minutes. Then you can go to your YouTube studio, then go to content, and then go down here and select any of your videos once you're monetized. Go down here to the monetization
He's
tab,
dropping
and then
some
from here,
gems.
you can add multiple different ad breaks if you click manage mid-rolls right here, and you can put multiple different ad breaks throughout your video. As you can see in this video right here, since it's longer than 8 minutes, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 ad breaks instead of just one if the video was shorter than 8 minutes. And I recommend spacing out your ad breaks at least every couple minutes so it doesn't interrupt the viewing experience too much. With that being said, don't just make videos for the sake.
And if you have loyal followers and good content, your viewers shouldn't be really tripping off of how many ads is in your video.
Sake of them being long, so you can put multiple ad breaks, because there's a trade-off if you make long videos without actually providing value. So if you make a longer video, make sure to only make it longer by providing more value to the end viewer, and remember, value can be either educational or entertainment value. And keep in mind, videos at every length can go viral. Now, I'm gonna let you in on a little secret, and that secret is that this channel that you're watching right now makes over $200 per 1,000 views. Now you might be saying, Matt, how in the world is that possible if channels typically only range from $1 to $30 per 1,000 views? And let me let you in on a secret. This is by selling a digital product with my channel, which is my YouTube course, Tube Mastery and Monetization. And we average around $100,000 per month with this channel, whereas ad revenue only brings in like $6,000 to $12,000 per month. Make sure to check out my video on 12 different digital product ideas that you can sell from your channel. I go over a bunch of different digital product ideas that you could potentially use to make even more money per 1,000 views. And link to that video will be down in the description below. Now let's break down how much YouTube channels could be earning. This channel right here called Chills uploads videos within the scary niche, and I'm using an extension called vidIQ to see how many views per month that they get. So if I click this, they're getting 6.5 million views per month. Now if we copy this number and open up a calculator, I'll show you exactly how to do the math on this. You take the number of views per month they're getting, divide it by 1,000, and this will show you how many thousands of views per month they're getting. And then we multiply this by their likely RPM. And in my opinion, their RPM is probably $2 to $3 per thousand views. So let's say $3 per thousand views, since this is a little bit of a low CPM niche, this channel would be making about $20,000 per month. And this channel called New Money uploads videos in the investing niche and related to finance. And if we see how many views per month they're getting 1.9 million. If we do that same exact calculation where we take this divided by 1,000 and then multiply it by their CPM, which I would estimate to be around $20 to $30 per thousand views. Since investing, make money online, and finance is a really high CPM niche, let's say $20 per thousand views, that means this channel would be making $39,000 per month, and that's just from ad revenue, not counting if they sold a digital product. So as you can see, this channel could be making more money per month than that first channel we looked at, even though it's getting less views. This channel, Tech Zone, uploads technology videos, and the channel pulls in 46 million views per month. And if we do the same exact calculation, but this time putting in an RPM of say $10 per thousand views, that means this channel would be making almost $500,000 per month, which is crazy. And in this video, I used RPM and CPM kind of interchangeably, but RPM is how much you actually make per thousand views. And when I say CPM, I really mean RPM. Check out this video next.
So you guys, that is why I am a big advocate of how to make money online with YouTube, because you can make, a good amount of money. And also, even if you're not making millions or hundreds of $1,000s a month, you still are making something, and that something can pay a bill. That something can be saved up to go on a dream vacation. Just anything. It's extra money and it's free. I mean, you watch YouTube every day anyway, so why not make money while you're doing it, or, while you're using the platform? So that's why I will promote making money on YouTube forever if I have to, because I want everybody to succeed, because I know how hard it is out here. And like I said before on a previous video, um, if it wasn't for YouTube and if it wasn't for me finding Matt Parr's course, I would be homeless, because I didn't, even though I worked every day, never missed a day, 8 hours a day, I still was not making enough to survive. So I needed a way to make extra money. And this is the way. YouTube is the way, I'm telling you. And I do recommend you get the course by Matt Parr, Tube Mastery and Monetization, because it is a life-changing course. Um, anyway, I have 3 YouTube channels, well, 4 now, actually 5. This one, then I have 3 faceless YouTube channels where I don't use my face or use my voice, and those are the ones that's making me money. So I have those 3. I have this one, and then I have another one that I just started. It's called Health and Hustle. It will be in the description box below. Go check that channel out. I haven't uploaded any videos yet, but I will soon. So go ahead and go over to Health and Hustle and subscribe and hit the notification button. Also subscribe to this channel, because I'll be dropping gems on this channel. I'm going to try to upload videos at least once a week or more. And yeah, and then also a Tube Mastery and Monetization course by Matt Parr. The link, it will be in the description for that as well. All right, well, thank you for watching, and you guys have a wonderful day. Peace.
Here's how I became a millionaire at 19 years old with $0 of inheritance. At 12 years old, I was uploading just random backyard stunts videos to YouTube, and I'd be lucky if a video got 50 views. At 14 years old, I found out about faceless niche YouTube channels. These are YouTube channels like the channel Top 5s, where you never even have to show your face, and you can just do voiceovers and put together other videos into your own video. I was editing the videos on a cheap laptop and doing voiceovers on my broken phone. At age 15, I had my first video get 100 100,000 views, and I was making $3,000 per month from YouTube, more than all of my friends. At age 16, I started hiring other people to make the videos for me, and my faceless channels were making me $9,000 per month. By age 19, I had 9 different faceless YouTube channels. I started teaching other people how they can grow their own channels too, and I started a personal channel called Make Money Matt, where I teach people how to grow on YouTube, and that channel alone brings in $50,000 to $100,000 per month. And literally one day before I turned 20, I became a millionaire.